Hi, my name is Adam, and this is a trip report of my journey on Virgin Australia Flight 715 from Adelaide in South Australia to Perth in Western Australia. Today I'll be travelling on a Fokker 100, which Virgin Australia Regional Airlines uses from its base in Perth. The fleet is often used to service Western Australia's mining centres, but also to operate some of Virgin Australia's services between Adelaide and Perth and between Adelaide and Alice Springs. This is my first trip on a Fokker aircraft, which is one of the reasons I chose this flight. Virgin's Fokker 100s are in an all-economy layout with 100 seats each. Virgin's Fokker 100 fleet has an average age of 25 years and was operated by Sky West Airlines until Virgin purchased that airline in 2013. I had selected a window seat for this flight, but unfortunately my seat was changed during boarding for an aisle seat in an emergency exit row. Because of this, sadly this video is missing the takeoff from runway 05 over Adelaide. Yeah.
Perfect, you'll be on the left and right 12. Brilliant.
After takeoff, I asked if I could move to my original seat, and the flight crew was really accommodating and helpful about this. The seating on the Fokker 100 is 2x3. I was quite lucky because the seat next to me in row 16, the seat I originally chose, was free. The aircraft is currently climbing over the Yorke Peninsula. Here's a quick look at the seat pocket contents, including the safety instruction card, the in-flight magazine, and the food and drink menu. The Fokker is not equipped with seat back screens, however is equipped with a streaming service. You just need to download the Virgin Australia Entertainment app before takeoff. I had a bit of trouble connecting to the service, but eventually it worked. Virgin Australia provides all passengers with a complimentary drink and light snack. Alcohol and a range of other meals can be purchased. In addition, complimentary beer and wine are offered on all services between capital cities departing between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Virgin Australia started life as a low-cost carrier called Virgin Blue. However, it improved its services to become a self-described new world carrier, a sort of hybrid, to better compete with Qantas. The legroom on board this aircraft is surprisingly generous. A quick look inside the toilets. It looks a bit dated, but clean and functional. This flight between Adelaide and Perth takes about 3 hours and 30 minutes, covering a distance of about 1,150 nautical miles. Quite a long flight for what is a regional aircraft. This is my first trip report using a voiceover rather than subtitles, so let me know what you think in the comments section. After cruising across the Great Australian Bight, we now reach land again in Western Australia. Apologies for the slightly dirty windows.
There's a moderate east to southeasterly breeze. With a scattered cloud, current temperature is 17 degrees. At this stage, we're disembarking at 10 minutes to 1 local time. And we do hope you've enjoyed your flight so far. Please sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of your flight. On behalf of myself and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying with Virgin Australia.
Ladies and gentlemen, shortly the captain will switch on the fasten seatbelt signs in preparation for our landing into Perth. Please assist us by checking your seat backs in the upright position with the armrest down. Cabin baggage must be stored securely either under the seat in the front or in the overhead lockers and shed of the aisle of the next exit completely clear. Your tray table must be stored away and window blinds opened. You may continue to use the lavatories and large electronic devices until the fasten seatbelt signs switched on. We're about to pass to the cabin for a final clear. Please pass on any unwanted items you may have. Please be advised that under the Biosecurity and Agriculture Management Act 2007, it is an offence to import and sell items without an import permit or in accordance with the regulations. If you are carrying items such as fresh fruit, vegetables, plants, seeds, unshelled walnuts, flowers or honey, please give it to a member of our cabin crew for disposal, or it can be disposed of in a quarantine bin on the Arrow Bridge during disembarkation. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has now switched on the fasten seatbelt signs. Please now return to your seat and ensure your seatbelt is firmly fastened. Remind yourself of your nearest exit. Remember that it may be behind you. Large electronic devices such as laptops must now be switched off and stowed. You may continue to use your handheld device until we arrive at the gate. Thank you.
As we descend, there's a beautiful rainbow-coloured reflection of the plane in the clouds. River and the suburb of Midland as we prepare to land on runway 21. enjoyed this trip report as much as I enjoyed flying on this Fokker 100. It was comfortable and the service was good. Please let me know if you have any feedback or suggestions in the comments section.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.